Hello guys! Oh my god. I haven't posted on my YouTube like mga 3 weeks ago. And then last Friday I posted a video on Sashi's, what's that called? Play Romeo and Juliet last Friday, and last Monday I didn't post anything again. My schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, but I was so busy last Monday kaya hindi na ako nakapag post. And then this week is Sashi and Baba's periodical exam, their third grading periodical exam, and then busy din. And I don't know, I'm planning to edit some video kasi ipopost ko naman yun mga 7, pero vlog pa rin, but I'm planning to make to shoot yung review ko ng Belo. Wala pa rin, hindi pa rin nangyayari guys. So today we send them to school, tapos we just got home. It's been an hour since we are home. And then pumunta lang ako ng palengke to buy some bananas kasi I will be making Miguel's cake, birthday cake, kasi tomorrow will be Miguel's birthday. He will be 1 year na. So I'm gonna make one. So I'm planning to make a banana cake. Yan. So I just ate. It's already 3:30 and I just had my lunch. Pero kumain kami ng banana cake kanina kaya hindi ako nagutom. So okay. Sweet lang. Hala, di ko kabilib na mama ka man, di cute, rakay ka. Yung lunch namin, pancit, nagluto ni mother, and then kanina merong lumpia, and then I'm drinking coffee. And guys, ito yung banana na gagamitin natin guys for our banana cake. Ang hirap maghanap kasi yung isang palengke na pinuntahan ko, yung malapit lang sa school nila, wala silang ganito na banana, yung yung yellow na banana, tapos hindi pa masyadong hinog. Dapat talaga very ripe if you are going to make a banana cake. And I also went to I've been looking for this one. Pumunta na ako ng dalawang ongking-king na branches pero wala sila. And my last stop is meron pang kasi 4 na branches yung ongking-king pero malayo na yun, tapos yung isa sa carbon. So my last resort is kailangan ko na lang bumili is doon sa may 7 Art Theater, yung lagi kong binibilhan ng mga cake or baking stuff. So ito yung binili ko. Finally nahanap ko din siya, Frosty Whip. Ayan, Frosty Whip. Tapos mura lang to. It's only 160 pesos, 200 grams. I'm gonna be using this as frosting para sa cake ni Miguel kasi hindi pwedeng kumain ng sweets. Yung sweets yung tawag yan? Yung mga dogs, eto walang sugar. Nasa sayo na kung lalagyan mo ng sugar or hindi. So ayan. And I also got some barbecue flavor seasoning. Kasi wala din doon sa ibang king-king. Oh, na-off. Why is it? Yung nabili ko lang, yung meron sila yung sour cream tsaka yung cheese. So ayan. Para sa fries, kasi bumili ako ng fries. And also, while nandun ako sa market, nadaanan ko yung Ukay-Ukay. And then, I've been planning to buy Ukay-Ukay shorts kasi mura lang yung shorts doon. Only 50 pesos. So, the last time na bumili ako ng shorts doon, ang gaganda ng mga shorts nila. Pang lang, pwede, minsan merong pang yung pang lakaw. Basta pwedeng pang pag lumalabas ka, or pwede din sa bahay yun. Tapos yung gusto ko talagang bilhin is yung pang pangbahay lang na shorts. Tapos, ito yung nabili ko, guys. Ukay-ukay. Ano, pambahay. And it's only 50 pesos. It's so cheap. I'm gonna show you what I bought. I'm gonna put you here. Oh, gosh. Let's move you a little like that. So, yeah. I'm gonna show you yung, mga shorts na nabili natin sa, wow, tabingi. Okay. Ayan. I don't know if you can see me. It's so bright. Medyo mahaba kasi para hindi makita yung mga chuk-chuk nila. It's so bright. First one is eto. Para kay Baba. It looks so new, guys. Yeah, it looks new. Only 50 pesos. What brand? I don't know what brand is this. Hindi ko makita. Walang brand. It's from Korea. Yeah, Korea. Basic. Basta. Ito yung una para kay Baba. And then, this one, medyo mahaba din siya. Parang, pang pajama. Basta dito sa bahay kasi, ay, iksi ng shorts ni Sashi dito sa bahay. Grabe. And then, ito. Medyo malaki. I don't know if sa akin ito or bata. Ito yung shorts. And then I also got this one para kay Ate Sashi or kay Babas. And then I also, lahat ng shorts is 50 pesos lang. Tapos I also saw this one, yung ito, yung blouse na ganito. Tapos sabi ni ate girl na 65 daw. Tapos sabi ko, pwede 60 pesos na lang or 50 pesos. Pero ayaw niya. Hindi siya nag-okay sa 50 pesos. Sabi ko, 60 pesos na lang. So, yan, pagkasabi ko ng 60 pesos, okay, Gora bells na. So, ayan. Medyo okay naman yung blouse, guys, for 60 pesos, di ba? Looks so decent. I don't know what's the brand of this one. Made in Korea. Most of their ukay-ukays are from Korea. Ayan. Di ba? Murang-mura. Only 60 pesos. So, I'm just going to laba this. Lalabhan ko muna sila before ko, of course, lalabhan kasi okay before gagamitin. So, maglalaba muna ako and then I'm going to bake the cake na para sa birthday cake ni Miguel. And then, what else? Yeah, maybe cupcakes din para sa amin. So, see you later. So, I'm finally done with, baking. Not really exactly done, pero, nandoon na sa loob ng oven, and it's going to bake for like mga 20 minutes or 18 minutes, but, that recipe, guys, is for, banana muffin, kaya, I'm gonna watch it after 20 minutes kung hindi pa siya. I'm gonna check if it's already, fully baked after 20 minutes. If not, I'm going to move it like mga 5 minutes. I'm gonna add 5 minutes, and then if wala pa 5 minutes until it will fully bake. So yun, and I also use my umbrella light kasi ang dilim dito, you cannot see me. So let's just wait for our cake to be cooked, and while waiting for the cake to be cooked, I'm going to cook some french fries para nila Sashi at ni Baba. For anything else, I need to wash all the dishes, but konti lang naman yung nagamit ko, and I always wash as I go, so para hindi masyadong maraming kalat. So yeah, I'm just going to wash all of this. So guys, here's my cupcake. It's already cooked. This is banana with butterscotch chips. Original recipe is banana muffin with chocolate chips, but nagsawa na kami sa chocolate chips, kaya I switch it to butterscotch. Hopefully masarap siya and not too sweet sana. And I think the recipe calls for 1 cup of chocolate chips, but this one I only added half cup of butterscotch. Wow, it looks so yummy. I cannot wait to eat this already. And also we cook some fries. This is barbecue flavor and this is sour cream, and meron pang last batch. Then I'm just going to cool this down para mahugasan ko and then to store it. And I bought my baking needs from Ukay-Ukay, guys, and doon din sa what's that called, yung ano sa may 7 Arts. If you are from Cebu, yeah, doon sa 7 Arts na pag hindi nyo mahanap yung ano yung mga recipes or needs nyo ng baking doon sa Ukay-Ukay, meron doon sa may, I don't know if you alam nyo, malapit sa Colonnade, yung dulumang ano sinihan doon sa may 7 Arts. Ayan. And my banana cake is also cooked already. I'm just letting it cool pero masyadong mainit pa, guys, kaya I don't know if I'm going to frost this tonight kasi it is almost 7 and there's ate, and yeah, I don't know if I could frost this tonight, but hopefully dapat mag-cool down siya para hindi mag-melt yung whipping cream natin. Ooh, I look so haggard already. Very shiny, shimmering, splendid. So I'm just waiting. We're just waiting for the last batch of the fries, and we will be eating together. And yeah.
20 minutes later.
Finally, we are going to eat na, guys. Baba's already eating. Atik's already eating. So, yan, ito na, boss. Yes.